Hello friends, welcome back to Weld QC, the YouTube channel of Lloyd's Institute of Technologies. This is Vincent. In our last video, we have discussed the second part of Mig Welding, that is GMAW, and the topic was Mig Welding equipment and the components. In our next part, that's in part 3. In our part 3, as I told you last time, we will be discussing about the metal transfer modes of GMAW. If you are talking about the modes of metal transfer in GMAW, it's a kind of secret. Most of the experienced welders are not aware about the difference between these modes of transfers. The secret which is not known to most of the MIG welders are the different metal transfer mode. Even some of highly experienced welding operators are not aware about these capabilities of GMAW process. When the machine adjustments are changed, the parameters are changed, the result is that the operating characteristics will be drastically altered. You will get a totally different effect. Their characteristics are so different that it is almost as if there are different or 5 separate welding processes. 5 modes are there, including the modified 2. Okay, so we'll explain each one of that. The basic modes are short circuit transfer, globular transfer, and spray transfer. Each specific type has definite advantages and the limitations which can be effectively used for different applications. One of the reasons for the popularity and growth of the GMAW process is that it is the only process that features distinctive individual methods of metal transfer. No other welding process is having this special quality or special ability. In addition to 3 basic metal transfers which we have discussed just now, there are 2 types of modified modes of metal transfers in addition to the basic metal transfer modes. That is, the first one is pulse spray. Pulsed spray is a modified spray arc transfer, and the second one is known as STT or surface tension transfer, which is a modified short arc transfer. The special modified power sources are required to obtain these modified transfer modes. A unique output has been programmed into the machines to optimize the special characteristics of the arc. It uses waveform control technology. We will discuss about all those things. So let us begin again. Alright friends, as the video is longer than expected, the remaining part about the details of metal transfer modes will be uploaded in my next video at the earliest. With all the details, that will be highly helpful for you. Thanking you for watching. See you soon. Goodbye.